Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on averages. Here comes the question. Can you please make an attempt and then continue watching this? In a group of 10 students, the mean of the lowest 9 scores is 42, while the mean of the highest 9 scores is 47. For the entire group of 10 students, the maximum possible mean exceeds the minimum possible mean by. Fine. There are 10 students. Let the highest score be H. The top score is H, the lowest score is say L, and in between I have 2 to 9. Let their total score be M. So the total of 10 students now will be, total score of 10 students is H plus M plus L. Now the question says the mean of the lowest 9 scores is 42. Lowest 9 scores means excluding the highest one. Out of 10, lowest 9 means excluding the highest one. So M plus L by 9 equals to 42, or I can say M plus L equals to 378. Similarly, the mean of the highest 9 scores is 47 means, highest 9 means excluding the lowest one. So this first person and the next 8 persons. So H plus M by 9 equals to 47, or H plus M equals to 947 is 423. You can see H plus M and M plus L, this is 1 and this is 2. When I subtract second equation minus first equation, M gets cancelled. We can say H minus L equals to 45. Now, we need to find the mean of all the 10 students. We know M plus L is 378. So if the total is maximum, the mean will be maximum. If the total is minimum, the mean will be minimum. So now let us try and see what is the maximum possible value and minimum possible value for H. If you see here, while the mean of the highest 9 scores is 47, the highest 9 scores is 47 means, the mean is 47 means the highest number should be either greater than or equal to this 47. So when I want the least possible value, means highest number will say all 9 numbers are 47 each. That way I can keep the highest value as a minimum, that is 47. So the minimum value of H, is 47. And what is the maximum value of H? See, the maximum value of H is for H minus L is 45. H can be maximum when L is maximum. When L can be maximum means the lowest 9 scores is 42 means when the last 9 scores is 42, what can be the last person's score? The maximum score of the last score will be, as I said again, if the average is 42, the mean is 42, the lowest score should be either less than 42 or it can be at most equal to 42 if all of them are 42. Hence, the highest value of L is 42. If highest value of L is 42, highest value of H is going to be 45. This minus L comes at plus L, that is 42. It will be H is 87. So the minimum value of H is 47, maximum value of H is 87 means H value is differing by 40. Since this is constant, since H value is differing by 40, the total also will differ by 40. If the total differs by 40, the average or the mean of those 10 people will differ by 40 by 10, 4. I hope you don't have to write 378 plus 47, 425 by 10, 42.5, 378 plus 87, 465 by 10, 46.5, 42.5, 46.5. The difference is 4. You don't have to say. That is tedious job. You can directly say that this is fixed and the difference between maximum and minimum is 40. 40 is the difference in the total. The difference in the average will be 40 by 10, 4. Hence, my answer is choice A. Students, for more comprehensive courses on quant, please reach me on my Udemy profile. The links are given below. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.